welcome back to my video. I got another one going again. Today you're getting two videos. So I'm gonna be making some green banana porridge. I got some bananas right here. I already cut some up. Maybe about what, 5 bananas I did. And I have about a cup and a half of coconut milk going right here. I'm gonna get this right into the blender. And earlier you saw me with my coconuts. Get this right inside here. You know, the green banana porridge, you can use this for breakfast, lunch, whatever time of the day you feel like drinking it. Alright, we're gonna blend this up and get it right in the pot. Alright, so I got a teaspoon of salt going in my pot here, because you need salt inside your porridge so you can get sweetened. So I'm pouring in the banana right now with the coconut milk. I already have like 2 cups of water inside the pot. 2.5 cups actually. Pour that in. Just keep on stirring this. Turn up the fire a little bit. You gotta keep and stir it just like any other porridge so it doesn't get lumpy. And then get it right back up to temperature. Alright. See how nice and smooth that look? Okay. Okay, look at that. It's getting all nice and thick right now, see? But you gotta keep on stirring it. You just don't have to add any flour or anything to your banana, because the banana thicken up just like your cornmeal porridge or oats porridge. To get all nice and thick right there. I turn down the fire right now and let the banana cook. So that's the green banana with coconut milk inside porridge I'm making today. Okay people, this is almost ready. Bananas, they're all cooked right now, so I'm gonna get some nutmeg right inside here, some cinnamon. See, I got my nutmeg here, my grater right there. I'm gonna get this right inside the pot. Just stir that right inside. And it just depends on the amount of spice that you want, the amount of nutmeg or cinnamon that you like, you add to it, you know. Sugar, condensed milk, it's the same thing. Sweeten to your taste. I get some vanilla inside as well, about a tablespoon. Right inside there. I'm just gonna get this sweetened right now. I have 1/2 cup of brown sugar here. Alright, then some condensed milk. Just keep on stirring that. And you taste as you go. I don't like it too sweet, so keep it pretty simple. That's what the green banana porridge looks like. Jamaican style again, people. My daughter requests this, you know, today. She wants some green banana porridge, so why not? Looking good. Look at that texture. Wow. mouth watering, eh? So you guys get the pot on the stove, get your banana, cut that up. As I said, I used 5 bananas for this porridge right here. 5 bananas. All right, people, the green banana porridge is ready. Look at that with the coconut milk inside. Wow. Now you guys got to get your bowl and your spoon and dig right in. That's looking lovely. And it's tasty too. So you guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel.